Kirby does have the bigger beard.
Yeah, I think he was the almost.
Yeah.
Okay, shoot the one that's on the decoy. Wait till they separate. Okay, shoot the one on the right.
All right, everyone. It is Friday, April 24th, and Pennsylvania's youth turkey season finally starts tomorrow. I feel like we've been waiting forever for it to get here. We have a pretty late season here, but it's greening up real good now, and we got a lot of birds around. We're actually scrambling here last minute to try to figure out which spot to go. It's been raining here about all night and all this morning. It's about 12 o'clock now, and the rain finally just let up, so we're hoping to get some birds out in the field this evening and check them out with the spotting scope and maybe put them to roost and help us determine which spot we want to go to.
I can see it. I can see it from here.
There's another if you want.
Yeah. What's that?
There's another shell in there if you want.
Oh, okay. Yeah, just let's go down and look at that one. Just lay your gun down and we'll all walk up. I'll let you go first.
Go ahead.
You gotta be in it too.
Put that there. What'd you do?
I think it's one of your ones.
Used to. Killed him.
This'll work. Makes a big hole.
Really?
How many is there?
2, I don't know. 3, I don't know.
What kind of?
How many are strutting?
2, I think.
We only need one, so we're good.
Well, it's opening morning in Pennsylvania here. Today's the first day of youth season. We got a big crew with us. We got our good friend Joe and his daughter Kara. And we got some birds roosted up above us here. I got Kara in the blind here with me. And we got the other guys back here in another blind. So we got a pretty big crew. Trying to get Kara our first turkey. We're set up in a little food plot here at our one friend's cabin. In case you wonder why there's a house in front of us. We've been watching 3 longbeards here. They're roosted right up in that corner. My dad's back there running the call, so hopefully he does some good stuff. If not, we can blame him, right, Karen?
That's how it's supposed to happen. Good job. Oh, yes. Let's go. Get out.
Oh, shit.
How impatient were you two? Oh, man. Holy heck, look, they flipped the blind over.
One had a double. I think this is it.
Oh,
Is it?
I don't care. They're both.
Yeah,
They were all three big.
Or maybe not.
No, well, the one hair was split.
Yeah.
Oh boy, don't let them spur you. Boy, you hammered him. Good job.
Good job, Bob.
Oh man. I seen him coming up on the hill.
Fucking right in my nuts.
We'll have to cut that out. Oh man. I seen them come out and I knew they were alone.
That's why
I said, put your bead on that Jake decoy because they're going to be right on top of it. Well, it's 7:21 on opening day, and it's a good reason to be out of the blind already. What do you think?
Yeah.
We got Kara, her first turkey here this morning. We got the blinds down here to the right. As you saw this morning, we had quite the crew here. We got Kara's dad, Joe, and my dad back behind the camera. We've been watching these birds here for the last couple weeks. I guess we'll give Dad credit for calling. He's gonna sneak in behind the camera anyhow, so. No, but it was, oh, they come out and gobbled by themselves, and what did I tell you? Put your bead on that Jake decoy because they don't like it, so. But we've been waiting all since about last winter for turkey season. It seems like it took forever to get here, but it's finally here, and we're headed home at 7:20. What do you think? Were you shaking a little bit?
Yeah.